Imagine a world where dining out is no longer a gamble. Imagine restaurants where every dish is prepared to perfection every time. This is the promise of robotic restaurants, a revolutionary concept poised to transform the culinary landscape as we know it. Technology is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. The food industry is no exception. Robotic restaurants represent the cutting edge of this culinary revolution. They offer a glimpse into a future where automation and artificial intelligence combine to create dining experiences that are not only efficient and affordable, but also exciting and innovative. As we venture further into the 21st century, the question isn't whether robots will play a role in our lives, but how significant that role will be. The rise of robotic restaurants is driven by a confluence of factors, including advances in robotics and AI, changing consumer preferences, and the need for more sustainable and efficient food production methods. This essay will explore the exciting world of robotic restaurants, examining their potential to revolutionize the way we eat. From automated kitchens to AI-powered ordering systems, we will delve into the technologies that are making this vision a reality. We will also discuss the implications of this shift for both consumers and the food industry as a whole. Get ready to taste the future of food. Robotic restaurants are a radical departure from traditional dining establishments. Forget dimly lit dining rooms and harried waiters juggling orders. Robotic restaurants are sleek, modern spaces where technology takes center stage. At the heart of these futuristic eateries are sophisticated robots, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from chopping vegetables and grilling steaks to plating dishes and serving customers. Unlike their human counterparts, robots never tire, get bored, or call in sick. They follow pre-programmed recipes with unwavering precision, ensuring that every dish that leaves the kitchen meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. But robotic restaurants are more than just automated kitchens. They are fully integrated ecosystems where technology touches every aspect of the dining experience. Customers can place their orders through interactive kiosks or even their smartphones, customizing their meals to their liking. Advanced AI algorithms analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations and optimize the dining experience. The result is a seamless and efficient dining experience that caters to the needs of the modern consumer. One of the most compelling aspects of robotic restaurants is their ability to deliver food with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Imagine a world where your favorite pasta dish is cooked to al dente perfection every single time. With robotic chefs, this level of consistency is not only possible but easily achievable. Robotic arms equipped with specialized tools can chop, slice, and dice ingredients with incredible speed and accuracy, eliminating the risk of human error. Sensors monitor temperature, cooking time, and other variables to ensure that each dish is cooked to perfection. This level of precision not only enhances the quality and consistency of the food, but also reduces waste and improves efficiency. Robotic restaurants can also adapt to changing customer demands with ease. Need to cater to a gluten-free diet or a sudden surge in orders? No problem. Robotic chefs can adjust their recipes and output on the fly, ensuring that every customer receives a meal that meets their specific needs and preferences. In a world where time is precious and expectations are high, robotic restaurants offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future of dining. The concept of robotic restaurants may seem like something out of science fiction, but it is quickly becoming a reality. Companies like Spyce and Moley Robotics are leading the charge, developing innovative solutions that are transforming the culinary landscape. Spyce, a Boston-based restaurant, boasts a fully automated kitchen where robots prepare a variety of healthy and customizable bowls. Customers place their orders through touchscreen kiosks, and within minutes, their meals are prepared and served by a team of robotic chefs. Moley Robotics takes automation to the next level with its revolutionary robotic kitchen system. This fully functional kitchen features 2 robotic arms that can replicate human movements with incredible precision. The system comes equipped with a library of recipes and can even learn new ones by observing human chefs. Imagine having a Michelin star chef at your beck and call 24/7. These are just 2 examples of the many companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of robotic restaurants. While the future of robotic restaurants may seem bright, it is important to acknowledge the challenges faced by traditional restaurants. The restaurant industry is notoriously difficult, with tight margins, high operating costs, and a constant struggle to find and retain qualified staff. Rising labor costs and increased competition are putting a strain on restaurants, making it difficult for them to stay afloat. Consistency is another major challenge. Even the most skilled human chefs can have off days, leading to inconsistencies in food quality and customer satisfaction. Robotic restaurants offer a compelling solution to these challenges. By automating many of the tasks traditionally performed by humans, robotic restaurants can reduce labor costs, improve efficiency, and ensure a consistently high-quality dining experience. This is not to say that robots will completely replace human workers in restaurants. Rather, they will free up human staff to focus on more specialized tasks, such as interacting with customers and providing a more personalized dining experience. Beyond efficiency, robotic restaurants have the potential to enhance the dining experience in a multitude of ways, creating truly immersive and personalized dining experiences. Imagine dining in a restaurant where the lighting, music, and even the scent of the air change to match the ambience of the meal. Robotic restaurants can create these immersive environments, transporting diners to different worlds through the power of technology. AI-powered systems can analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations, suggesting dishes based on previous orders, dietary preferences, and even mood. Imagine a restaurant where the tables are interactive displays, allowing diners to browse menus, place orders, and even play games while they wait for their food. Robotic restaurants can make this a reality, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds to create truly unique and engaging dining experiences. The rise of robotic restaurants presents a compelling investment opportunity for those willing to embrace the future of dining. As with any investment, it is crucial to approach this emerging market with a discerning eye, carefully evaluating the potential risks and rewards. Before investing in a robotic restaurant, it is essential to conduct thorough due diligence, examining the company's technology, business model, and management team. Look for companies that are developing innovative solutions that address the specific challenges faced by the restaurant industry. It is also important to consider the market opportunity. While robotic restaurants are still in their infancy, the industry is poised for significant growth in the coming years. Factors such as rising labor costs, increasing demand for convenience, and the growing popularity of food delivery services are all contributing to the growth of this market. Investing in robotic restaurants is not without its risks. The technology is still evolving, and there is no guarantee of success. However, for those with an appetite for innovation and a long-term investment horizon, robotic restaurants offer a unique opportunity to capitalize on the future of dining. The rise of robotic restaurants is not merely a technological advancement. It is a cultural shift that has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about food and dining. Imagine a world where gourmet meals are accessible to everyone, regardless of budget or location. Robotic restaurants can make this vision a reality, democratizing fine dining and making it possible for people from all walks of life to experience the joy of exquisite cuisine. Imagine a world where you can order any dish from any restaurant in the world and have it prepared and delivered to your doorstep by a robot. Robotic restaurants, combined with advances in drone delivery technology, have the potential to make this a reality, breaking down geographical barriers and creating a truly global food culture. The future of dining is not just about automation, it is about personalization, customization, and creating experiences that cater to the individual needs and desires of each diner. Robotic restaurants are no longer a futuristic fantasy, they are a rapidly emerging reality that is poised to transform the culinary landscape as we know it. From automated kitchens and AI-powered ordering systems to immersive dining experiences and personalized menus, robotic restaurants offer a tantalizing glimpse into the future of food. While there are certainly challenges to overcome, the potential benefits of this technology are undeniable. As we venture further into the 21st century, robotic restaurants will play an increasingly important role in our lives, offering a more efficient, sustainable, and ultimately, more enjoyable dining experience. So the next time you are looking for a truly unique and unforgettable dining experience, step into the future and embrace the world of robotic restaurants. Bon appétit, and welcome to the future.